hooligans. Yo.
Who is it gonna be going to the finals
Who's
against?
going to the finals?
TMB. We got Vicious by Nature and Zulu again, and TMB HZK. Judges.
Go, judges. What's it gonna be?
Guys, don't go anywhere after this decision. We have a special performance for y'all. RAD crew, where y'all at? I need y'all around.
RAD crew to the stage.
I need y'all around.
RAD crew.
We'll give the winner of this battle a chance to just breathe. 5-minute break after this. Who's going against TMB judges in 3, 2, 1? TMB HZK. Yes, going against TMB in the finals, y'all.
That was close, y'all. That was close.